So hello friends, thanks for watching, and in this video we are basically going to be looking at how to add audio into this photo slide that we are basically working on. So what we have to do is to go back, look for our hard drive. Okay, maybe this is the hard drive or this one, any of your choice. So if at all I want to add in this, okay, dub, so this is an instrumental from my sound track. So if I want to add in this, then I just drag it, then come here, point it there, then I can drag straight away, then I place it there. Okay, you make sure that it isn't entering this part, because that is not where you have to place it. So like there. So are you seeing that? So are you seeing? So the sound track is there. So basically what I have to do is, first of all, I would want to reduce its volume. So I right click on it, come to audio gain, then maybe put it at -10. Okay, to reduce the energy at which it is like playing or bumping. So if I get this, then drag it there. So I want it to go on increasing. So from here I would come and make my frame, that is volume. Okay, then make a note there, then extend to the const and take it straight to negative, the last negative. So the moment I happen to click this, are you saying that? So the sound goes on becoming gradual. Okay, it does not come in totally at once. Okay, so so that is what we would want. Then when it comes to this ending part, we also lock. Okay, we click that to lock the sound at 0. Then as we fade in, we also come here and drag that to a complete negative, so that after that the sound does not play. So the same sound, because also the second option was of the same size, nothing was tampered with, so we duplicate the sound to the other side also. Then that is how we come to add in sound into our project. Okay, that is to be maybe presented somewhere. That is how we add in audio on photo slides, just on photo slides. With others, you may happen to use any other method. Okay, also here we also nowadays have apps whereby you can maybe use Photo, maybe some other apps to create Viva Photo. So to come up with something like this. But if at all you're a professional, then you have to go this way, and you have to carry out research and buy more of these lectures. Okay, so you need to research or buy more of these lectures to understand more of Illustrator or something that is a little bit professional. You understand Premiere Pro, Illustrator, After Effects as a designer. Okay, so thanks for watching. Let us continue to the next video, where I'm going to be showing you how to export and get your work out there to different people. Thank you for watching.